Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable notifications on Xbox application using your mobile device. To disable notifications on Xbox, first of all, open up the Xbox application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From your profile page, tap on the gear button at the top right. And from the settings menu, click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications tab, toggle off the specific notification you don't want to receive. For example, if you want to turn off notifications for new followers, you can toggle off the button right next to the option. Repeat this process for every other notification you don't want to receive. If you want to turn off all the notifications, you can go ahead and open up the Settings app on your device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notifications, select Xbox. Now, turn off the button right next to Allow Notification, and this will disable all of the push notifications you may receive from the app. By following these steps, you can tailor your Xbox experience to minimize distractions, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your games. If you ever wish to turn on the notification, you can repeat this step and turn on the box right next to Allow Notifications, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.